Right now we got that valve nice and cleaned up. You can even see the Nissan emblem in there. Backside is nice and clean. You can just go ahead and do the installation. And basically raise it up and just slide it through. And I like to hold on to the valve seal as it's being pushed through, goes through, pops in. Now take my small piece of rubber, set it underneath that valve, and then we can get our springs. Put that back over. Get our small retaining washers. You just push down a little bit. All right. First one is in there. You can actually do this by hand. I just use the magnet, just kind of get it in the vicinity. All right, take our finger, try to push that down in there. Alright, piece of rubber, turn to the side. Let's try to get that back under. Push down. Just haven't lined up yet. Popped out.